I'm gonna share with you this extremely viral, contagious recipe. Goat cheese cranberry crostini. This is perfect as an appetizer. It's perfect to start the party off with. Everyone's gonna love it. It's delicious. Let's get going. I'm gonna slice it beautifully. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on the pan. We're gonna throw it in. We're gonna toast it so it gets that nice little crispy feel. And then we're gonna work on our little accoutrements here that are gonna go on top. You know, my hands always smell like garlic. And it makes me happy because my grandmother, my Momo Mary, her hands always smelled like garlic. They would get up at like 4 a.m. every day and cook. They just did. They lived on a little farm in Louisiana. And every time she would come to give me a kiss and put her hands on my face, I would just smell her hands. It smelled like garlic. It is the most comforting thing to me. We're gonna pop it in the oven, toast it a little bit, and get back to this. All right, we're gonna put a little olive oil in the bowl. We're gonna combine our almonds, our olives, and our cranberries. Okay, our crostinis are out. We are going to spread the goat cheese and then we're gonna add our toppings. This is going to look so pretty when people arrive. It's just a little bite for them to snack on. That pairs really nicely with some wine. Mmm, that's good. Mmm.